Hi there, welcome to our channel. Inside this suitcase is a manual espresso machine from MHW-3Bomber, the Sonic S7. It comes with a stylish and hard shell suitcase with 4 rotatable wheels and an extendable handle. Perfect for those who want fresh espresso available anytime, anywhere, camping, hiking, and at work. With a manual variable pressure system, you have complete control over the brewing process, allowing you to do a pressure profiling, adjust the pressure at various points in the extraction process to improve the flavor in the espresso. Just a reminder that there is no perfect recipe for espresso. Go forth and experiment. Taste is pretty much a personal preference. As always, our full disclosure. This is a purchase unit and was given a special sample price for our in-house evaluation with no requirements or demands from them, just sharing our honest feedback to them. Gorgeous looking suitcase. Now for the unboxing. Quality certification card, user manual, elbow brush, grey towel, a set of keys for you to lock the suitcase, stainless steel measuring cup, Dex Precision filter basket 20 gram, flash constant 13.6 kg pressure temper 58.35 mm. CD series distributor 58.35 mm. Bottomless portafilter holder with 18 gram filter basket. Pull rod with walnut handle. The body, pressure gauge. Now for the installation guide. This almost rectangular drip tray fits into this base in one direction only. Take a pull rod and make sure this washer is already inserted. Remove this fixing screw. Next, insert the rod through the gill shaft and rotate to align the hole with the screw hole on the gill shaft. Once both holes are aligned, install the fixing screw and tighten it. All done. The 58mm brew head is made of stainless steel 304. The body is made of aluminum alloy. Stylish design which looks great on your coffee station. Well built, solid, heavy, all metal body constructions from top to bottom. 2 thumbs up. The width is at 23 cm. Depth is at 26 cm. Height without pull rod is at 42 cm. Pull rod length is at 40 cm. The weight of the body with drip tray and pull rod installed is about 7.5 kg. Besides the included professional accessories, you'll need a smart electric kettle, a smart coffee scale, just like this Cube 2.0 Mini by MHW-3Bomber, and a coffee grinder. Recommended to also have the WD-T2. Maximum water fill level is this line, which is about 80 ml. Preheat the brewing head and water tank for about 30 to 60 seconds. Lower the rod to the lowest position. Place a small container underneath the brew head to collect the water. After preheating, slowly lift the lever to drain the water. Hold either the top or the portafilter handle when pulling down the rod during extraction. Maintain a steady pressure during extraction. Recommended pressure for extraction is between 6 to 9 bars. Never exceed 12 bars and will damage the related components. Now for the demo on the workflow. You can either use the hand grinder or the electric grinder. The choice is yours. After extraction, pull the rod up and down 2 to 3 times to empty the excess water from the brew head. Stand by a container to collect the water. Here's a summary video on the installation, preheat, extraction demo, cleaning, remedy for common problems with solutions, and so on for your further understanding. For first-timers who are new to manual lever espresso machines, you'll face a learning curve. Be patient and ready to make mistakes. From these mistakes, you will gain more experience and workflow efficiency will improve. For seasoned users, maybe just 2 to 3 times of trial usage and you're good to go. After watching this detailed video on the Sonic S7 manual lever espresso machine, are you overall impressed with stylish design, features, and performance? What do you think of the included professional accessories? How about the good-looking hard shell suitcase? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.